Okay, so this is a similar problem to problem number 1. Same triangle, same vertices, and same purpose. We need to get the coordinates of the new rotated triangle for each vertex, which is x prime, y prime, or z prime. So in number 2, let's start by plotting that triangle xyz. So x is located at 3, -1. There's x. Y is located over 5 and down 4. And z is located over at x equals 1 and down at y equals -5. So there's our point z. Sorry. We're going to connect each of those vertices with line segments to create our side lengths. If you look at the instructions, it says that we will be rotating 180 degrees clockwise, so that's in a direction of a clock, as I just drew, about the origin, which is actually 0, 0. So let's plot that origin. That's the center of rotation. Okay? Let's begin by rotating the point x. So if you notice, x is really close. It's one space away from this spot on the x-axis. That point is located at 3, 0. If we were to rotate this point 180 degrees clockwise, it would rotate right here to the point -3, 0. However, if you notice before, x was always one space ahead of 3, 0. It was actually at 3, -1, right, in the rotation? So our new x value will be one space ahead at -3, +1. Okay? Now let's look at y prime. We'll do this in blue. So y, if you notice, is 4 spaces away from the x-axis when x is 5. So we're going to rotate this point 180 degrees, ending up at -5, 0. But y was 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces ahead of it. So we're going to move 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces away from that rotation point because they're going to rotate the same. So this point will be our y prime, which is actually located at -5, 4. We'll do our last point, z prime, in red. So z is one little step away from the y-axis, down there at -5. If I rotate this point, 0, -5, 180 degrees, I will end up at...
Sydney Kelch, can you meet your mom outside? Sydney Kelch, meet your mom outside, please.
Sorry, I cannot control announcements. I will end up at 0, 5. And if you notice, z was kind of always a step behind, so we're going to go one step behind that new point. So z prime should be located right here at the point -1, 5. We can connect all of those line segments, or all those vertices with line segments to create our new triangle, and we already have our points labeled. Thank you for watching. Good luck.